Yes, Mina, thank you, and good afternoon to members of the media. What's encouraging to me is the fact that the club with stadium management as the venue authority, we made one firm decision, and we can't allow the fake ticket holders and overcapacity to dictate the game day for us. To achieve a more fan-friendly experience, we need to improve on the access control to the venue. And I think we all agree, we've all been involved in the last 3-4 fixtures at the venue. I also said to you, it's going to come with pain. We're not nearly, with the last couple of games, we're not nearly where we want to be. But we're going in the right direction. We all realize that it's not going to be, with the lessons from the past, it wasn't a smooth experience as we would have liked it to be. The fact is, in relation to the earlier arrivals, and I've said it to you in the past week as well, we need to deal with 51,000 people in the last hour at the last 2 derbies. To get those amount of people and that number of people into the venue puts pressure on any system, puts pressure on the crowd management, puts pressure on the crowd control. People need to arrive early, but with that being said, and we've never, you know, I'm not a person hiding behind anything. If you arrive early, the processes and the systems in place has to be smooth as well. We're really working hard towards that. You'll already see some improvements tomorrow evening as well with the fixture against Stellenbosch. But please stick with us, the public as well, and the fan base and fan support. I don't want to see an event ever again where we have 110,000 people inside the venue and we have 5,000 or 2,000 or 10 people outside with legitimate tickets. It's not a process that's going to change overnight. There's a lot of questions. Why did we not wait until the next season to implement it from the start? We could not approach a derby again with that risk. From a venue perspective, the club, they're looking after the entertainment on the pitch. They're looking after the activations and having people enjoyable experience for fans and spectators when they enter the venue. It is the role and the responsibility of the venue authority, together with other ESSBC stakeholders, to ensure a safe entry into the venue and a safe experience. That is foremost on the forefront for us. So, yeah, as I said, not as we would have expected it over the last 3 fixtures, but we're moving towards a system that will allow for safe and a fan-friendly experience.
Wow.